Hi, how to make a self-starter on a vacuum. So it's easy. So you just press the start button right here and leave it on. You take out the wires like right here. And then look, these prongs, the holes right here, these prongs, in those sockets right there, they have to touch these prongs. And how do we put it? So if it's like this, then it won't start. The prongs have to go inside, also known as the holes here. Then go here. Hear that sound? The vacuum starts. Try it again. Don't play with time. Don't do this. Don't do this at home. Don't play with high voltage stuff. It's coming like sparks. That is how we make a self-starter on a vacuum. So, bye-bye. And make sure to like and subscribe.